This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tom Waters and less than bedroom greater than Gloria Waters. In the middle of everything without any of the noise. Greenbrook Walk at Lakewood Ranch. Updated, maintenance-free townhouse, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Roof was recently replaced. The first floor living, dining and kitchen are light bright open design. Crown molding adds a finished touch to the first floor. Room for books and accent pieces on your custom-built entertainment center. Spacious, well-equipped kitchen features, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, roll-out shelves, soft close doors and a kitchen island, the workhorse of your culinary space. View of the lake is enjoyed from the kitchen, dining room, and owner's suite. The dining room also offers the perfect gathering and entertaining space. 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms are on the second floor. Half bath on the first floor. Inside utility area. Screened lanai has an extra storage closet. The community pool is ideal for socializing and cooling off. Greenbrook Walk is a pet-friendly community. GreenBrook Adventure Park offers large and small dog park, nature trails, picnic pavilion, sports fields, basketball courts, playground, tot lot, inline skate park, hockey, volleyball courts. Nearby schools, McNeal Elementary, Nolan Middle, Lakewood Ranch High, Pinnacle Academy, Out-of-Door Academy, LECOM medical and dental schools. Medical facilities, UTC Mall and Restaurants are minutes away. Condo fees include cable, water, sewer, trash, roof, lawn/exterior maintenance. Are you looking for a fun place to call home? Schedule your appointment.